thanks for tuning in. I'm Cody Wolf. We're here in the Bel-Ray studio again. We have a special guest with us, Jason. Jason, let's get technical. Talk to us a little bit about what you want to look for and what you take into consideration when you're trying to formulate not only a product, but a premium product.
Thanks, Cody. Probably from a formulation standpoint, a lot of it is about tribology. Tribology is the study of wear and friction. We want to minimize both because that means more power and longer equipment life. So to minimize wear, we look at the film strength, and that's how strong the layer of the oil is separating the metal surfaces inside the engine, inside the gearbox, and we want to maintain that separation. When the fluid film collapses, we have metal-to-metal contact, and that wears things out pretty fast. So to measure and model film strength, we look at the Phalix pin and V block test. That's a laboratory test. It's an accelerated wear test that puts the oil through its paces. We use that test to optimize our formulations and ensure that they have not only adequate but industry-leading film strength performance. Also of importance is viscosity index. Viscosity index is how the oil's viscosity changes in relation to temperature. The idea is you want it to be as consistent as possible. So by having a formulated oil with a very high viscosity index, that oil's viscosity is less resistant to change with temperature, which in turn provides a very consistent fluid film protecting your rotating equipment.
Awesome. So, and if I would have to imagine, there's a lot of things you're taking into consideration when you're formulating the engine oil. So what you're probably also trying to achieve is the best balance, right?
Absolutely.
You can have a great Phalix number, but if your VI is really low, you could sacrifice some lubrication. And of course, there's going to be other things you're going to look at for the formulation and when formulating a premium product. But it's about trying to find that best balance of all the things, right?
Absolutely. It's easy to win in one area, but what we look to do is optimize across the board. That way we don't compromise in cold weather performance or other such conditions.
That's probably why it also makes the most sense to have product specific per the machine, right? You have air-cooled bikes, you have single-cylinder dirt bikes, off-road bikes, and then you have your more liquid-cooled on-road bikes that are just going to experience normal operating temperatures, right? To achieve the premium product in its category, you almost need to have a unique formula per what the environment's going to be, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Application is essential. Application is the key, and that's why there are so many different variances, because each condition is a bit unique, and we're working to provide the best products for the right applications.
Awesome. Well, for anybody that's not sure what product Bel-Ray would recommend putting in their machine, or if you're just not sure what you should be using, you can always go to Bel-Ray's website, click on Lubricant Advisor. It'll actually be a drop-down menu. You pick your machine, it'll tell you all the Bel-Ray products that we recommend, starting with the highest quality or the most superior. Then you can make your choice and your decision based off of our recommendations.